According to a study conducted by Monash University and two professors, Sivans Philipson and Professor Shane N. Philipson, 88% of Indian and Asian parents want their kids to learn life skills in school. Despite the limitations of the education boards and quite a number of challenges to implement a new future skills program, schools are striving their best to give the best for their students. We understand that. We also understand that we are in a blessed times to be able to leverage technology for learning, teaching, and saving time. And so, we built a product just perfect for the schools to simply start using it for a number of benefits. How does the schools benefit from our product? Customized, unique life skills framework is created for you. Independent learning and holistic development. Customized content helps in easy understanding. A new life skills vertical is created for the school. Academic boost for school subjects, homework project assignments, track students' progress. Subject teaching and learning outcomes in English, economics, enterprise, business studies, global perspectives, marketing, general knowledge and writing. Assign homework and track students' progress. We provide customized content by subject and by board level and also provide back-end support. Our team of expert writers can create subject content for your school as per your needs. Lesson plans and workbooks will be created to enhance teaching and save time for the teachers. We align with National Education Policy. We align to NEP guidance in our content and we will continue to align to their full policy as it evolves. Very less teacher training required for the school to adapt to the new guidelines. Our general awareness or GK section can be used for assembly time, news reading events, group discussions, writing projects, research projects, Model United Nations clubs and other extracurricular activities. Most importantly, our platform is safe and secure. It is worry-free for parents and educators as we filter out unnecessary titles and use safe and secure vocabulary and images. Now, let's look at the how. The complete life skills menu and categories. The search capabilities. Internal linking connects to other topics for easy understanding. Brings the real world perspective as real world is connected. Audio feature enables kids to understand certain words better in terms of pronunciation and also encourages them to still learn even if they are not good readers. Tooltip feature, also dictionary feature, gives meanings of the words right there by just hovering the mouse, so no need to check meanings of words or other terms elsewhere. Citations generated in 6 different formats helps kids with writing assignments. Power words and game helps with memory and retention of vocabulary words. Quiz helps with fact learning in a fun way. Visual, auditory, cognitive method of learning enables kids to expand brain power and application to real-world situations. Short videos will help strengthen the understanding on complex subjects with ease. We are sure the educators would agree that reading offers tremendous benefits to the students. Reading improves brain connectivity, memory, and concentration in children. Reading makes children emotionally intelligent. Reading for just 20 minutes a day will expose them to 1.8 million words per year. Students who read score 90% better than their peers and equips them with stronger analytical thinking skills. Reading empowers students with better articulation skills and communication skills. As Albert Einstein said, education is not about learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think. We truly and passionately want to join hands with educators to give the best and bring the best for the young. We appreciate your time. www.skillioma.com. Skillioma, Beyond Curriculum.